Burns, Leonard, Magnitude, Pop, Swizzle, Scandalous, C-Dub, Tim, Mighty D, Glisten. Good night, everyone. Faster, move it. Thank you.
You're gonna crawl?
Well, I hope you found tonight therapeutic, because I was not content that was my plan.
Well, I actually started to have fun until that maniac tried to move in. What is it about me that makes broken people flock to me?
Having a good time?
Do huddled masses mistake me for the
You wanna show your auntie how you crawl?
But being as how you are halfway through your second year at Greendale, you may want to either stop resisting.
No, you just tired.
That you're actually starting to enjoy it.
Well, you assume I enjoy it because you think you can.
It's true. Absolutely.
You want a nice little taste of what you're missing in a relationship with nutcases? Yeah.
What are you doing?
My phone and listen to the 39 messages they left tonight.
You wanna go somewhere? Hey, buddy.
Since you got it turned
How
off,
about this
why
toy?
don't you call me a cab?
Over here.
Must be in some kind of trouble.
What a relief that would be. Tell you what, if you need me, I'm going to be waiting for my
It's pretty good.
Nothing special now.
You did the butt wiggle. Good job. Alright, I'll send this to your auntie. Wanna say hi? Gabe? Wanna say hello, Auntie Kathleen? Hi, Auntie Kathleen. Okay, that was pretty good. Alright, bye-bye, Auntie Kathleen. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, maybe stay on.
Alright, come get it. Alright, bye-bye.